Hey, Yellow, you got the air horn? Heck yeah, heck yeah, I got the air horn. Cool. I'm gonna test out Cyan. Alright then. Be careful, okay? Dude, I'm always careful. What the heck? This is gonna be a blast. What in the world was that? Gotcha, girl. Gotcha, girl. Yeah, gotcha, buddy. Dang it, Yellow. Why are you playing with the air horn? Oh, this? Oh, this? This is a pretty good. This is a pretty good toy, you know. This is pretty good prank. This is a pretty good prank item. Prank item or not, it's so loud. They're pretty damn loud to the ears. I know that, but I think I got it from some kind of store or something. Oh well. Yeah, I mean, it's a yeah. I mean, that air horn was used to just to blare to blare ears, just to blare your eardrums out. What? What? You mad, girl? Uh-oh. I better step back. Whoa! Hey, sorry, what's up with you today? Ow, that hurts. What am I mean? What am I mean for? What am I mean for? Give me that! Hey! This is what you call a prank item? It's so extremely loud that you can just blow your eardrums out! I don't like it! Why'd you have to throw over the horizon? Because I don't like air horns! They're too loud! I know that. Golly, man. Oh gosh. Damn. Dang. I know that buying an air horn was a bad idea from the start. Oh well. No big deal. I guess it's just use the whoopee cushion, I guess.